Manchester City are planning a massive overhauling.
Okay.
Now and Yemen Koye, Pep Guardiola was struggling. Oh, yeah, better I can't say my phone is it be a tactics near there. We said our own. Now, Hunter, United in pen for no, City in pen for no quarters, they decided, say, bear overhauling. Hunter, overhauling, nobody should deceive you. Players now City taught Neno. Recommendations from Pep Guardiola.
On one, I recommend the someone Tomomra.
Yes. Hunter, Pep Guardiola. Today be a normal life when you are working at a place, say you have to check your environment. Say the environment, is it suitable for you to succeed?
Okay.
What you have to be able to understand. Say the environment you find yourself is doing everything for you to succeed. Hunter, Pep Guardiola find himself in a particular place. Everything that the club hierarchy in area, they want him to succeed.
Okay.
Hunter, City echo about 4-6 matches, defeating Kwane drawn games, bad results. But yesterday they are investing for a brand and Pep Guardiola. Hunter, now the attack, the defense, the midfield, they decided to do revamping. Hunter,
okay.
Number one, Omoko Lens. And Omokoto Abdul Kader Kusanov. Hunter, you didn't know Kusanov. I bet you.
Kusanov. Lens.
Hunter, Abdul Kader Kusanov, or 20 years old.
20 years.
Or a center back.
Okay.
Because they've realized, Sir Ruben Diaz pra, Nathan Ake pra. Now, when him said Josco Vardiol, almost one center back game.
Okay.
Is your ball left back one or ball?
Yeah, John Stones.
John Stones, Hunter, John Stones, yeah. John Stones will say Prasia. And now you can't trust those boys. So what do you do? Bring in a younger player.
20
Hunter,
years.
20 years on the number. Hunter, Pep Guardiola, after say scout, after say scout, scouting was South America. And I'm catch Pep Guardiola say, yeah, the boy be back here. Victor Ruiz, or see yes, boy need a good. Omako for no some Hunter.
Also a defender.
A defender, center back, or a 19 years.
19 years.
Sene, Ruben Diaz, so no assuming Bo City BM. Akanji so no assuming Bo City BM. They have a new center back pair.
Young. Almost 10 years crowd woman
Hunter. Then the attack. That attack we remember later. Hunter. The fullback.
Okay.
Now, when you say Kawaka announces
yeah.
Now, City is on the market looking for a new fullback. And Hunter, player now omoko penno. Eba soke say, omo fullback say Europe you know man phobia. Almost pe Andreas Cambiaso
of
Juventus. Hunter, Pep Guardiola we were here and a Pep Kofa Manu
Akanji Edin free Dortmund
no nya starter.
Aye, to the benches
Nathan Ake from Chelsea Academy. Not Chelsea 24 Kofa free Bournemouth. One Nathan Ake.
Yeah.
Now Pep Guardiola say Ope Andreas Cambiaso from Juventus. Juve say budget 61 million euros. Hunter, and as things stands now, send your news in Ebobano. Any day Umberto
Cambiaso. City
and Hunter. Last but not the least. Haaland has signed contract extension.
Okay, yeah.
Or not the engine free conversation. Hunter. Now, Phil Foden is struggling to be consistent.
Okay.
And yes,
Onimbo.
He is struggling to be consistent.
Sure.
And now, apart from Erling Haaland, Hunter, can you pinpoint any center for the Man City team? No. Until now they wanted someone. Makasi say they wanted someone since the departure of Julian Alvarez.
Yeah.
Say can you put him message Julian Alvarez and nine. Almost here mo hante no munyobia. Then there is Omar Mamouche.
Okay.
Or say or she goes for fun. Hunter and no me father me refi my fan ba. Omar Mamouche since the start of the season on board match you enya less than 8.5 rating down.
The rating are so green kwa.
The least I went 8.5 in about 20 matches. And now, City for Pep Guardiola who said now the consistency of that guy was okay. And the City for shall see any Omar Mamouche din komo asa grow obeba omo Hunter. Omar we dey know him 80 million euros.
Omar Mamouche. Entrant Frankfurt.
Hunter. Yeah. So now Pep Guardiola na enti make catch us say
hey me Pep probable lineup
ahwe me
Pep the na year hwe Agro line up na hwade na and Chelsea for mowu
Chelsea go na bo Premier League
Ediani me bawo wenu na na bi dia da so ye England nyina na yayi first 11 and answer Pep nko first 11 ni
Hunter, let's just assume say there's no the players near him pen phone nyina fi
asewo
etu dem when na so na me ni nkomo
okay
Pep Guardiola in case he say asewo well Hunter mama nya quick
aye we dey
edi I feel my voice no Facebook classes I was so petition okay Hunter. So Pep Guardiola have gotten this. Now so far, City are spending 149.5 million euros right now in the transfer window. And Cambia so the end count Cambia so the end NBA. But so far, Omanya Abdul Kader Kusanov sealed. Victor Ruiz sealed. Omar Mamouche sealed.
Oemiansano.
And the other, if say Pep Guardiola decided say Okwako boss 3-2-4-1 no ball last season say nebeye
hey
na selection we no eh right there san ebe dianta
ebe
everything Ruben Diaz Kusanov
we chire ho center 3
yes Rodrigo Cascante Cambiaso say Cambiaso there over so nyamba but possible say Saviro Riviera Omar Mamouche Foden Oscar Bob and Ellen Bratalan
Hunter amba what dey hwade bu ha hwe squad dey da soro winim hwe squad ni ye mame hwe Savinho Omar Mamouche Phil Foden yenyi Oscar Bob no to nche oya akwada na hwe Haaland
Oscar Bob
we good but
we Jeremy Doku betu
Doku kura betu ya beda ho etu dey hwe sa squad we na wa Rodrigo Cascante Cambiaso Josco Vadio Ruben Diaz Kusanov amba
Hunter, don't be deceived, sir.
The EPO is not
players now Pepper signing. Emu bi eni ho obekolo.
Omo nyina start.
Also Pep Victor Ruiz is here. Okukusa no
ah odon start ya.
Mamouche mpo dey Hunter already.
No border.
Enti Hunter,
Johnny wo dey Johnny Facebook run kasa ba squad.
That is why I was saying say the environment and everything as City owners no no is for Pep to succeed.
Pep angas when you coach as you hunimobo. Wo ye wicked papa because amba da bi say Pep will land up party we ba sa be share di party ah e Pep ye wicked. Obedi da say ujara udi abro.
The overhauling na ya carry from last month Ebano. Now City are complete.
Dabio amba hwe wo dey hwade Haaland aya killer when you obekum. Savin will be one more tenancy. Mamouche aya finisher. Phil Foden aya another killer.
Kenny forms is
here. What pick here? Now you can afford Doku be gina ni mu a Doku a. Obe Pep ye wicked.